Online claim filing, simplifying the experience. Filing a claim is one of the most commonly performed tasks for consumers. The link is easily accessible within the I Want To section. As you make your way through the claim filing wizard, you can see your real-time balances and plan filing rules on the left side navigation panel. In the first step, you will select which notional account, such as an HRA, limited purpose FSA, or dependent care account, the transaction will come from. Then, you will determine if the payment will be made to yourself or someone else. If requesting a payment to a provider, you can select a provider you have previously used from the drop-down menu or enter new provider details for the transaction. If you have a receipt, you should upload it right away to allow for quick processing of the payment. Next, you will add the necessary details about your claims. If adding mileage, the wizard will automatically calculate the amount and add it to the total claim. As you proceed through the claim filing wizard, you will see a summary of your claim information on the bottom of each page. Once you have entered the claim information, you will be taken to the transaction summary page, where you can make updates to your claims, add more transactions, or agree to the terms and conditions to submit the expense. Filing a claim on the consumer portal has never been easier.